Welcome everyone. I am back. Today's July the 16th, 2022. The Binance bears need to be careful. They need to start panicking because the market in Binance is prepared to go up. Yes, I'm already giving you all the heads up as to why I think Binance is going to continue to go up in price. Now, before I do, welcome everyone to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create the price prediction without the confusion, while everyone else out here is confusing the mess out of you. I want to be the voice of reason. I want to show you a simplistic way of predicting prices. Yes, you can predict prices and forecast where the market is anticipated to go without clogging up your price charts. Let me show you. You all appreciate my videos and my content. Hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. Tap that bell notification as well, because I'm here creating these price predictions to drop hints to show you where price is going to go. Now, let's talk. Because I did a video in Binance on June the 16th, 2022, and my expectations was at that particular moment in time was for the market in Binance to drop, to go lower. Now, let's keep it real. I keep it 100. The market in Binance has not done that. The market instead has been pretty much trading range bound, but now you can kind of see some elevation movement in the price. When you see these things, you need to come in and evaluate, revise your original intentions, because if you don't, you will increase the losses. See, that's one thing that we don't do here. We cut the losses as soon as we see changes occur, and we let the profits run. Check this out. Now, initially, after I did a video, let me zoom on the chart. Initially, when I did a video, I was expecting the market to go down, and it did 2 days into my price prediction. Right here on June 18th, even on June 19th, Binance did go down, right? But it didn't go all the way down to our price target area. I was looking for the market ultimately to go down to 123, and it still could happen, right? When you look at this on the 3 months and the 6 months chart. But as of right now, the market doesn't want to go that low. So we need to go ahead and get rid of this. If you was able to nibble off some of that profitability here on the 18th and the 19th of June, congratulations, because that was around, 7-8%. On the low on the 18th, that's around 14, almost 15%. If you're not, or if you didn't take advantage of that moment and you were to get out now, yeah, you're down 15%. But hey, it goes that way. Now, if I'm looking for the price in Binance to continue to move higher, guess what? We need to get out the way. We need to ride and play on the winning team. And right now, the chart is showing us that the buyers are winning. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut that out the way. And you guys can tell automatically we are in a upward trend. You should be able to see that automatically. Your eyes should tell from looking at the price bars that we are seeing the market in Binance create lower highs. The market is trending up automatically. So that's the first idea that the market is explaining to us. So the Binance bears need to be paying attention, because the market here is telling us that they're trying to move higher. Now, check this out though. Check this out. This is where the sellers are at into the market in Binance. I would say right around here. Okay. $250. They're there. Do you think the buyers are going to take that area out? Because if so, we need to be prepared. Do you think the market's going to break this to the upside? Hit 265, maybe 280, and then we'll hit this longer term downtrend line. Price comes down. Do you think that's going to happen? Because that's highly probable. Because the market in Binance was so much oversold, like the market sold off so bad that now the price is coming back up. Now, in order to be profitable in the market, you need to know when to get out. Not only should you come in and purchase, you also need to know when to sell. So looking at this chart, we have an idea. We can kind of gauge where the sellers will be at in Binance to push down the price. Now, my first concern, outside of where the current area of sellers are at, which is at $250, the next area is going to be like 260, 265. We need to keep our eyes open on that to see if the sellers are positioned there to continually dump on the market. This is what the buyers need to be paying attention to. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and look at this real quick. Let's go ahead and clean this up, because I'm still looking for the market in Binance to move up. I don't think this $250 price is going to be a restriction area to impact the market from not going up. Okay, look at Binance here on the 2-day chart. You guys can see that the bullishness is still being reflected. We need to continually act as the market continues to give us strength. Strength is still here on the 2-day chart. You all can see here on the 3-day, the strength is still here. Okay, look at this on the 5-day. The market here in Binance here on the 5-day chart is still showing that it wants to move up. Look at this on the weekly. Even here, stronger on the weekly time frame, the market here in Binance is still reflecting to a strength. My only concern that I'm seeing here on the weekly chart is right here. You guys can see all of these weeks that the market in Binance has not been able to break above this level. Okay, that's the only concern that I can see that the bears have control over. They still have a stronghold in the market in Binance right there around $250. Okay, as long as they continue to hold that, then yeah, the bears have nothing to panic about. They can still expect the market to go down. But from what I'm forecasting, from what I'm seeing, is that they're not going to be successful. So let me go ahead and show you all this on the 2 weeks chart. We got one more day and 7 hours left, and you all can see here that the strength is still here. So all in all, I'm still going to forecast, still going to predict that the market here in Binance is going to continue to trend higher. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to forecast where I suspect the market to go. Okay, now for one thing, we are still in an upward trend. Okay, my support area is going to be around $212. So as long as the market in Binance continues to trade above $212, we're going to continue to expect the market to ride out. Okay, my first price target is going to be right here around $260. Okay, 260, and that gives us around 4.5%. That's how high the market may go before the bears come in and inundate the market again with more Binance tokens. Okay, my second price target is going to be right here around $273. Okay, that gives us 9.39% profitability. And then my ultimate third price target is going to be up here around 285, which takes us to around 14%. Now, let me zoom out the chart because I want to show you that this is where this long-term downtrend is in play. This is where the market buyers may be able to really take Binance price, and then the down move will continue. Keep your eyes open on that. Okay, now I'm here. This is my expectations. I'm going to look for the market in Binance to continue to ride higher in price. Okay, you all can see it, and you all heard why. Now it's your turn. Where do you think the market in Binance is about to go? Right, I'm here to tell you, this is how we're able to be profitable into the market without expending, a whole lot of expensive software, charting software. You don't have to allow someone to give you some pricing alerts. All you have to do is come and look at the chart. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So give me your thought process and we'll see which one is right. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.